Dito tayo sa Crocodile Farm. Tingnan niyo, ang laki. Oh. Amazing. Say hello to the camera. Galaw-galaw. Yeah, we're riding habal-habal.
Ang ginit mo?
Opo.
Ay, natabayaran 5 pesos. Environmental.
Ito na maksimo.
Ayun.
Sige.
Ito nga pala yung nakakalaki. Sa Batcave. Gaya.
Ay, wala akong makita.
Dami.
First time niya sa Davao? Ako, ano na, pabalik-balik.
Ito ka Manila.
Naka-ano pa roots ng puno.
Yeah. Ano ba? Ito inaapakan. From the first hole up to there, connected. Sa baba, hollow. Kasi konektado ito eh.
Yung butas.
Feeling namin, kasi ito siya, it's a natural tree. Sige yan sa Manila, bilit ako. Yung sa wala open. Yung feeling namin, yung mga gusto mga puno na nagsusupport ang without the tree sila, diba ko na.
Montfort Batcave here in Samal Island.
Whoa! Can you believe that? Yung mga black na yan, puro bats yan. Kala mo dun eh. The most number of bats in the Philippines?
No, in the whole world.
Ito?
Kaya may Guinness Book of World Record Award siya.
Wow!
Fish feed.
Game. Dito.
Akala mo lang. Ikaw na ang VIP, oh. Sa kabila naman po natin forget-me-not flowers. Ito ng flowers. Kaya may naman po yun nandun sa
Through the Rainbow Pass. As you can see, each arch has a flower that corresponds to a particular rainbow color. This is sometimes used during prenuptial pictorials and weddings for the couple to pass through. Right beside is the water.
That's the port of the train na po. So it takes 1 hour and 30 minutes na walk.
Kilometer hiking trail that will take you about an hour and a half or 2 to finish. If you wish to hike, we will provide you with a map.
By the way, Eden is sitting on the slope of Mount Palomo, which is a dormant volcano. Do you see all those boulders along the stream? A long time ago, Mount Palomo erupted. It is said that before that, it was actually higher than Mount Apo, which is currently the highest peak in the Philippines at 9,692 feet above sea level. However, because of the eruption, Mount Palomo.
On your left is our campsite 1. If you wish to camp, you don't need to bring tents as we will provide you.
Dito sa area,
Up.
sa mga different major tribes ng Mindanao.
Is another magnificent view of Davao City, the Gulf, and Samar Island.
Sayang lang po, hindi siya kita ngayon. Napag-clear yung area.
Cinnamon bun.
Ito po yung recent sayang po.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon na basil naman po. Pakikasa lang po sa likuran.
Pwede magdala ng tanim.
Basil purple ruffles po.
For parsley.
Favorite. Sweet. Ito sweet.
Ito yung para sa paano?
Ang